Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stock from Merrill Edge to Morgan Stanley, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Merrill Edge account. Navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Find the option for transferring assets or account transfers. Select the type of transfer you want to initiate. Choose the account type, individual, joint, trust, or retirement. Initiate a transfer request by clicking on the appropriate link or button. Fill in the necessary information regarding the account you wish to transfer. Provide your Morgan Stanley account details in the required fields. Confirm the assets you want to transfer from Merrill Edge. Select the specific stocks or funds involved in the transfer. Review the transfer summary for accuracy. Submit the transfer request when all details are correct. You will receive a confirmation message acknowledging your transfer request. Now, log into your Morgan Stanley account. Access the Transfers section in your Morgan Stanley dashboard. Select Incoming Transfers to ensure eligibility for receiving your assets. Wait for the transfer to process, which may take several business days. Monitor both your Merrill Edge and Morgan Stanley accounts for updates. Once the transfer is complete, verify that all stocks have arrived in your Morgan Stanley account. Contact customer service for either institution if any discrepancies arise. Ensure you receive any necessary tax documents for your transferred assets at year-end. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.